Ladies and gentlemen, good day. We have a second song. Moyo Wangu has a second song. So let's see what's up. I try not to be happy by any song before I listen to it. So I'm not going to be happy. New people here are Delroy, Shewe, and Anita Jaxson. So I'm not too happy. Let's see if we're going to be happy by the end of the song. 5 minutes to show if you're not happy or not. Let's get it.
Wind up your body, calamity. Wind up your body, calamity. Follow me. I love your bum bum dance, baby. Come wind up your body, calamity. Follow me. I love your bum bum wine.
Shona versus in your area. Yeah. And it's from 1909. Dino da uro veshan.
Dianago, Atenda Chinx. So this is the first verse. We've heard this before. Yeah, nothing to be happy about.
Baby, uno kurovera wangu moyo baby boy. I do not need nobody else. You got me all to yourself. You were way down on the corner. Now I need to kudara and Anita kukara. I want me all in your arms when I wake up. Diani mumwe akadainda mboyeta kuchagada shagada shaya palisongiyu moyo wangu tora hako.
That's the chorus. We already know that. Nothing to be happy about. We want to see the new guys.
Moyo wako watwa wangu usawere kachiritorera kumashure chishuwa changu kuwanewe mumambure moyo wangu tora hako. Moyo wako watwa wangu usawere kachiritorera kumashure chishuwa changu kuwanewe mumambure kupindane kudona bururu.
Oh, I've saw this verse on TikTok. That's the new song. Pindane kudu na pururu. All right, let's see what's going on.
Kupindane kunyura kana pakafona msunu ndakawedzera ukuda kushikira ndapinda mguru kusvika mwiri wapfupa tsamba yawakanyora msunu ndakaiona uchiti I know distance is too much baby ndasuwa kukuona.
Oh, wow, that was
Distance is too much baby ndasuwa kukuona. Chimtie tunonza baby ndafunga kukutora andina riseni kunoda mumwe I need you to know ndashaka.
Ew. That's whoa. Delroy was good. I don't know why he's never made a name for himself. He's always pulling up on features and he does attack them really well. It's just one of those things where we've never really had him stand around, which is kind of crazy.
Chishuwa changu kuwanewe mumambure moyo wangu tora hako. Moyo wako watwa wangu usawere kachiritorera kumashure chishuwa changu kuwanewe mumambure unendibakebane nakamzimba.
Vanonzitakura. Meno wakazvanipi zvanoite. But he knows what he's doing. Not gonna lie.
I know that I never doubt too much, so why'd you fight it? Oh, she got the national body with the Shona Cardi. This one is a real life body. I'm running my charging for real. I'm tempted to touch. I wanna feel like I'm begging too much.
Ew, was this on the original song? I actually didn't listen to the original song. So I don't know if this was the first verse that Takura had, but I just don't think it's the one. I don't think so.
Think that I've waited enough. Baby, will you please come take my heart from me? Moyo wangu tora hako. Moyo wako watwa wangu. Usawere kachiti torera. Kumashure. Chishuwa changu kuwanewe. Mumambure. Moyo wangu tora hako. Moyo wako watwa wangu.
Okay. I feel like this song is kind of repetitive. You feel me? I don't know. It's not growing on me. Maybe it's one of those songs where you have to listen more times for you to kind of start picking it up. But at the moment, it's feeling repetitive to me, especially the chorus. The verses are good. Oh, Miss Anita Jaxson. It's been a long time. Oh my days. Let's see what you have for us. You better have a good verse, because after you leave us like that for a long time, you just come back with rubbish. We're not going to accept it. But nonetheless, we haven't heard, so we can't judge yet.
You are the one that I had in my heart is set on you.
Why is Anita's verse not in track? Like it seems like everyone was singing on the mic that is connected to track 4, and then Anita is singing on a mic that is on track 9. I don't know whatever happened to the audio transfer there, but it sounds a little bit too raw for it to be part of the other audios that we've heard before. Probably why it was put at the end.
So many reasons for me to say I love you and say I do. Come meet me, Copacabana.
Wait, is Anita Jaxson? Wait, is she auto-tuned?
My heart is set on you. So many reasons for me to say I love you and say I do. Come meet me, Copacabana. Give me that good banana. Banga didi pichi danana. You already know Uriba Moana. Your love is sweeter like margarita. Oh. Tell them Anita's your mamacita. Oh.
The Nigerification of our music is sickening. But anyway, talent is talent. Anita Jaxson is very talented. I don't know. I think this is a whole thing of you have you have the talent, but you never really used it for a long time, and now you kind of try to bring it back. You still have it. Not gonna lie, you actually got it to the max. You feel me? But then it just doesn't fit with all the others. Probably because Anita Jaxson and Takura, all the other guys would have never linked if it was not for Shona. I don't know where he got the audio. That's my thing. Whoever edited the audio obviously tried to do his best, but we can still hear it. Or maybe because I have lossless headphones. But this is YouTube. I don't think it. Wait. I don't think YouTube accepts or like supports that. Let's see. Nah.
Come meet me, Copacabana. Give me that good banana. Wangati di tichi danana. Moyo wangu tora hako.
You can literally hear the flanger. I think there's a flanger per voice to Anita Jaxson, which makes it. I don't know what's going on. Everyone else sounds perfect. Anita just sounds like she wasn't in the studio with everyone else. Probably like sent though. I don't know. There was a look. I don't know.
Moyo wako watwa wangu. Usawere kachiti torera. Kumashure. Chishuwa changu kuwanewe. Mumambure. Moyo wangu tora hako. Moyo wako watwa wangu.
What? Yeah, I don't know what happened to the audio, but even but the volume just lowered for no reason. But that's not a big deal.
Wind up your body, calamity, follow me. I love your bum bum dance, baby. So wind up your body, calamity, follow me.
Okay. Yeah, this song is it was good when it came out, but now I feel like it's repetitive. You feel me? Like panic at repetition Kazunguitika. And then Anita Jaxson kind of ruined the vibes with not sounding exactly in track. So I would say the song is a 5 out of 10, 50-50. The first one, I've listened to snippets, but still I liked it. I don't know why. And this one, I'm not really feeling it. So I would say 5 out of 10. Peace. See you in the next one. Subscribe, like, comment.